Hi everyone, welcome to NCRT Math. I'm here to explain Class 6 Math in simple ways, useful for both academic and for competitive exams. In the chapter 1, today we are going to see section 1.2.4, revisiting place values. So first example is 86. So it is nothing but expanding the number. 86 can be expanded as 80 plus 6 is equal to 86. 8 into 10 plus 6 into 1. 6 in the 1's place and 8 in the 10's place. Similarly, 749 it can be expanded as 700 plus 40 plus 9. And 700 can be written as 7 into 100. 40 can be written as 4 into 10 and 9 can be written as 9 into 1. So similarly, the following numbers can be expanded in a beautiful manner. So let us see the next section, 1.2.7. So an aid in reading and writing numbers. Let me test our performance. Okay, so you have to answer all these questions because all these questions have been revised in the previous section. So let us see how much you have been learned from the sections. Okay, so we can discuss the solution later in this video. So first question is 765499. So you have to expand this by number names with perfect spelling and places. So the position of each and every number should be in a perfect way. The second question is subtracting smallest 1-digit number from largest 8-digit gives 9-digit largest number. Is it true or false? You have to examine the question and have to write the solution. Okay, the third question is nothing but you have to write the number for the given number names with perfect commas. Okay, so let us see the solution. Okay, you have to pause the video, you have to write the solution and check the solution in the upcoming seconds. Okay, the first question you have to write it as 7,65,499. You have to write it in a proper English words. So second question is subtracting smallest 1-digit number from largest 8-digit gives 9-digit largest number. So what is the subtracting of smallest 1-digit number? Nothing but subtracting 1. The largest 8-digit number is nothing but 8 times the 9. 8 times the 9 is nothing but the largest 8-digit number. So we have to subtract 8 times the 9 from 1 is nothing but 7 times the 9 and 8. The last one is 8, right? So the 9-digit largest number is nothing but 9 times the 9. Is both are equal? No, it is false. So then next write the third question is 98 crore 76 lakhs 54,321 is nothing but 987654321. Have to make the correct commas. The last 321 is nothing but 10 ones, 10s, hundreds. Have to have a comma before 3. And next before 4 and 5 from the last time saying from the last 4 and 5 it should be followed by comma. And the next one, right, 6 7 before the 7 you have to make a comma. And the 8 9 I'm saying from the last, that is a perfect. Okay, next it comes the Olympiad question. Let us see 3 questions in our video. Today's video we are going to discuss 3 questions along with the solution. Listen carefully, it is one of the Olympiad question. From this video we are going to see the Olympiad question in each and every video in order to revise the portion and also to fulfill the competitive side. Okay, so first question is find the next number in the series given. It's one of the important question that you have to learn, right? The question is 3f 6g 11i and 18l. What will be the next number in the series? Okay, so pause the video, have a solution and then resume it and come to the solution. Okay, solution is 3f means 3f 6g 11i 18l. So difference between f and g is nothing but 1. Okay, difference between g and I is 2. The difference between I and L is 3. So the next number should have the difference of 4. So it is automatically 27p. Okay? Can you understand? It means A, B, C, D, E, F. After the F, it comes G. So it has a difference of 1. Okay? And G, H, I. G and I have 2 difference. Okay? I, J. I, after the I, J, K, L. It has 3 difference. Then comes L, M, N, O, then P. 4 difference. P should be the fifth number in the series. So the number having the P is 27p. So it is the answer. So let us move to the second question. So here we have to find the number of straight lines required to draw the given figure. Okay, let us see the figure. The figure has been given and we have to understand how many number of minimum straight lines can be drawn from this figure. So pause this video, analyze yourself and have an answer. The solution is 16. Okay, the 4 sides each of 1. Okay, so 4 is over. The center, this plus symbol, right? It is of 2. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, let us discuss the remaining 10. Okay, in the first rectangle, there is a big X, right? Second rectangle, there is a big X. Totally 4. So 6 plus 4, it's 10. Okay, then comes the diamond symbol, right? At the center. Diamond symbol comprises of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really 6 straight lines. Okay, 10 plus 6 is nothing but it's 16. Okay, everything is good. These kinds of questions are expected in all the competitive exams. Then comes the third question. How many dots lie opposite to the face having 4 dots? Even the given net of the cube is folded. So let us consider this is a big sheet, a dice sheet. Okay, you have to fold it by one. So if you know the answer, please pause the video and try to figure out the answer. If you can't, please follow the solution slides. Okay, so now you have to consider the sides of the slide, that means dice. The dice having 1 up to 9, that's right? 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, dice having 1 to 6. So they are asking about the opposite sides of the dots having the 4, that means they are asking the opposite sides of the 4 dotted dice will contain, right? Which number it will contain. So you have to fold it like the 1, 2, 3 have been given, right? Consider a dice having 6 sides. Okay, those 6 sides is nothing but having dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is a sample they have given. So we have to unfold it, right? They have been given already as unfolded. We have to fold it like a cube in order to have the opposite side of the dice having 4 dots. Okay, so this is a given. We have to find a solution. So first of all, consider a person is standing in the dice having 4 dots. In the side of the dice having 4 dots, the person is standing. Likewise, when he lifts his hand in the left hand direction, there is a side of the die showing 3. So let us consider person is standing in the 4-sided position of the die. Okay, so the left hand side there will be a 3, and if he folds inwards, then there comes the 1 dotted side of the dice backward of the person, and similarly the 6 dotted side of the dice will come at the right side of the person standing on the 4 dotted side of the dice. So similarly the remaining 2 sides of the dice will be 2 and 6. The 2 will come in front of the person who is standing in the 4 dotted side of the dice, and the 5 dotted side of the dice will come at the top of his head. So what is the meaning? Nothing but the person is standing in the fourth order side of the dice, okay, and on his top of the head there will be 5 order side of the dice. So this is the answer. Answer is 5. Okay. Then what? Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out other videos in my channel Ncert Math. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to view the immediate notification. So how far the math will be difficult until you understand the concepts clearly.